Extinct creatures have fascinated humans for centuries. These creatures once roamed the earth, each with unique characteristics, diets, and habitats. One of the most famous extinct creatures is the dinosaur. Dinosaurs were a diverse group of reptiles that lived during the Mesozoic era. They varied greatly in size and shape. Some dinosaurs, like the massive Argentinosaurus, were herbivores, feeding on plants. Others, like the fierce Tyrannosaurus rex, were carnivores, hunting other animals for food. Dinosaurs lived in various habitats, from lush forests to arid deserts. Fossil evidence shows they were widespread across all continents. Another well-known extinct creature is the woolly mammoth. These large, hairy relatives of modern elephants lived during the Ice Age. They had long, curved tusks and a thick coat of fur. Woolly mammoths were herbivores, grazing on grasses and other vegetation. They lived in cold, northern regions, including parts of North America, Europe, and Asia. The dodo is another famous extinct animal. This flightless bird lived on the island of Mauritius in the Indian Ocean. It had a large beak and a stout body. Dodos were omnivores, eating fruits, seeds, and small invertebrates. They lived in the forests of Mauritius but became extinct in the 17th century due to human activities. The saber-toothed cat, or Smilodon, is another iconic extinct creature. These predators had long, curved canine teeth and lived in the Americas during the Pleistocene epoch. Smilodons were carnivores, preying on large herbivores like bison and camels. They lived in a variety of habitats, including grasslands and forests. The passenger pigeon was once one of the most numerous bird species in North America. These birds had a streamlined body and long tail feathers. Passenger pigeons were granivores, feeding primarily on seeds and nuts. They lived in large flocks in deciduous forests but were driven to extinction by the early 20th century. The great auk was a large, flightless bird that lived in the North Atlantic. It had a black back, white belly, and a distinctive large beak. Great auks were piscivores, feeding on fish and other marine life. They nested on rocky islands but were hunted to extinction by the mid-19th century. The Tasmanian tiger, or thylacine, was a carnivorous marsupial native to Australia, Tasmania, and New Guinea. It had a dog-like appearance with stripes on its back. Thylacines were carnivores, hunting small to medium-sized animals. They lived in various habitats, including forests and grasslands, but became extinct in the 20th century.